Namaste, investors. Today, let's embark on an exciting journey through the world of investing, especially if you only have a small capital to invest. Even with a small amount, the Indian stock market offers ample opportunities to grow your wealth. The key is to invest smartly and strategically. So let's dive in and uncover some powerful strategies that can help you make the most of your investments, चाहे वो कितना भी छोटा amount क्यों ना हो. Starting with small investments. Starting small doesn't mean thinking small. The first step is to understand that even small investments can grow substantially over time. SIPs or systematic investment plans in mutual funds are a fantastic way to start. With as little as 500 rupees per month, you can tap into the potential of the stock market. Another great option is to invest in stocks through discount brokerage firms like Dhan, which offer low transaction fees, making it easier for small investors to participate in the market. Smart stock selection strategies. When you're investing with a smaller capital, stock selection becomes crucial. Focus on quality over quantity. Look for fundamentally strong companies with a good track record. Small cap and mid cap stocks can be golden opportunities. They have higher growth potential, albeit with a bit more risk. Research अच्छे से करो and you might find some hidden gems. Additionally, consider dividend paying stocks. They provide regular income and are often more stable. This can be a smart move for small investors looking to grow their portfolio steadily. Diversification and risk management. Diversification is key, especially when you're starting small. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to reduce risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Even with limited capital, you can diversify using mutual funds, which pool money from many investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. लेकिन remember, over diversification से भी बचना चाहिए. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिफाई कर लेते हैं, especially with a small amount of capital, तो returns इतने split हो जाते हैं कि significantly growth देखने को नहीं मिलती. Risk management is also crucial. Use stop loss orders and monitor your investment regularly. ये आपको मार्केट के अनएक्सपेक्टेड ट्विस्ट से बचा सकता है. Utilizing technology and resources. Technology is a small investor's best friend. Use online platforms and mobile apps for real-time market data and investment tips. Stay educated and informed. There are plenty of resources available online, including Dhan's own YouTube channel, community, and blogs, specially tailored for the Indian market. Knowledge is power, especially in investing. Remember, हर छोटा स्टेप बड़ा इम्पैक्ट ला सकता है इन द वर्ल्ड ऑफ इन्वेस्टिंग. तो दोस्तों, डोंट लेट द साइज ऑफ योर कैपिटल लिमिट योर फाइनेंशियल ड्रीम्स. इन्वेस्टिंग इज अ जर्नी एंड हर जर्नी की शुरुआत एक छोटे से कदम से होती है. स्टे डिसिप्लिन्ड, बी पेशेंट एंड कीप लर्निंग. The Indian stock market is full of opportunities waiting to be seized. बस एक भरोसा रखना है अपने आप पर और मार्केट की प्रोसेस पर. So let's start this exciting investment journey no matter how small the beginning. Remember, आपका फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर आपके हाथों में है एंड एवरी रुपी इन्वेस्टेड टुडे कैन बी अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन टुवर्ड्स अ ब्राइटर, मोर सिक्योर टुमारो. Happy investing and here's to growing your wealth, one smart investment at a time. Keep exploring, keep investing, और हाँ, keep dreaming big. If you like this video, then do like and share. Do let us know in the comments below कि आपको धन के चैनल पे क्या नए टॉपिक्स देखने हैं. Until next time, happy investing.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.